If you are looking for a completely flawless used SUV that will never cause you a single headache, your search ends right here. Consumer Reports has just released their highly anticipated July 2026 data, and the results are absolutely mind-blowing. They have identified a select group of pre-owned SUVs that achieved a nearly perfect score, with real owners reporting zero major mechanical issues. The best part is that you can buy these exact models right now in the UK for under £15,000. Imagine owning a modern, stylish and spacious vehicle with absolutely no risk of sudden garage bills, no unexpected breakdowns, and complete peace of mind every time you start the engine. In this video, we are diving deep into these bulletproof machines, looking at real market prices across the UK, their brilliant fuel economy, and why they are considered the ultimate smart investment for your money. Whether you are navigating tight city streets, driving through unpredictable British weather, or taking a long trip down the motorway, these SUVs are built to last forever. Before we reveal this incredible list, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our ultimate UK car buying guides. Let us jump straight into these outstanding vehicles. Toyota RAV4 2018. The Toyota RAV4 is a vehicle that regularly tops every single reliability index across the globe, and the 2018 model represents the absolute peak of its generation. According to the latest data, this specific year has shown zero major engine or transmission faults, making it an absolute fortress on wheels. In the UK used car market right now, a clean, well-maintained 2018 model fits perfectly inside our £15,000 budget. You can find excellent examples featuring the brilliant 2.5-litre self-charging hybrid setup or the highly durable 2.0-litre petrol engine. The hybrid version is exceptionally popular in the UK because it delivers the fuel economy of a tiny city hatchback while giving you all the space of a large family cruiser. It manages electrical power and petrol seamlessly, meaning you get incredible urban efficiency without ever needing to plug it into a wall. The interior is a wonderful place to be, offering a massive boot of 580 litres, tons of legroom for passengers, and a high driving position that gives you a commanding view over traffic. The build quality is tough and completely rattle-free. Right now in the UK, you can buy a beautiful 2018 Toyota RAV4 with a full service history for between £12,500 and £14,800 depending on the trim level. It is a rock-solid investment that will simply run forever. Lexus NX 2016. If you want absolute luxury paired with legendary unbreakable mechanical parts, the Lexus NX 2016 is the car to buy. Lexus is the premium arm of Toyota, which means you get an upscale, beautiful cabin wrapped around the most reliable hybrid technology in the world. Consumer Reports highlights this model as nearly perfect because the mechanical build quality is so high that wear and tear issues are incredibly rare. Under the bonnet, you will find the ultra-reliable 2.5-litre hybrid powertrain. It is smooth, whisper-quiet, and perfectly suited for UK roads. It completely eliminates the need for complex, fragile parts like alternators or starter motors that usually fail on standard cars, saving you thousands in potential repairs over time. Inside, the cabin features premium materials, plush seats, and exceptional sound insulation that blocks out all motorway noise. On the UK used market today, a pristine 2016 Lexus NX can be found sitting tightly within our budget, generally priced between £13,000 and £14,900. It gives you a truly high-end luxury ownership experience with absolutely zero mechanical drama. Honda CR-V 2018. The Honda CR-V is another legendary name when it comes to vehicles that refuse to break down, and the 2018 model is widely praised for its exceptional durability. Owners across the UK report absolutely zero major issues with this car, making it a permanent favourite for buyers who value trouble-free motoring. For under £15,000, you can easily secure a late 4th generation or early 5th generation model, featuring the highly efficient 1.5-litre VTEC turbo petrol engine or the robust 2.0-litre iVTEC petrol engine. Both options offer a perfectly smooth power delivery and excellent real-world fuel economy. The space inside the Honda CR-V is legendary. It features a massive square boot with a low floor that makes loading heavy shopping or luggage completely effortless. The cabin layout is incredibly user-friendly, with big, clear physical controls for your heating and radio, meaning you never have to fight with a confusing screen while driving. Current UK market prices for a clean 2018 Honda CR-V range from £12,000 to £14,500. It is practical, spacious, and totally bulletproof. Kia Sportage D19. The Kia Sportage has quickly become one of the most visible and trusted family SUVs on British roads, and the 2019 facelifted model is a shining example of why this brand is leading the market. Consumer Reports gave this specific model a nearly perfect reliability score, with owners reporting zero unexpected mechanical failures or electronic glitches. It is a highly robust, modern vehicle that offers an exceptional balance of style, comfort, and durability. Within our £15,000 budget, you can easily secure a beautifully kept 2019 model featuring either the 1.6-litre GDI petrol engine or the highly efficient 1.6-litre CRDI diesel engine. The petrol variant is incredibly popular for drivers who do mostly local trips, as it is mechanically simple, quiet, and requires very little maintenance. For those who frequently travel long distances on the motorway, the diesel version features clever mild hybrid technology that helps it deliver over 55 miles per gallon, keeping your fuel costs remarkably low. Inside the cabin, the layout is incredibly practical and built to withstand the rigors of daily life. The seats offer great support for long journeys, and you get clear physical controls alongside a highly responsive infotainment system that includes full smartphone connectivity. The boot space is very generous at over 500 litres, making it perfect for carrying holiday luggage or large shopping trips. Right now in the UK used car market, a pristine 2019 Kia Sportage with a complete service history can be found for between £11,800 and £14,200. It is a modern, reliable and incredibly sensible SUV that represents brilliant value for money. Mazda CX-5 2018. For drivers who want a used SUV that feels incredibly premium, drives beautifully, and maintains a flawless reliability record, the 2018 Mazda CX-5 is an absolute masterpiece. Mazda is world-renowned for its independent approach to engineering, and this model stands out in the Consumer Reports data, with zero major issues reported across its powertrain and electrical systems. It offers the luxury experience of a high-end German brand, but with the unbreakable reliability of Japanese manufacturing. The absolute sweet spot for this vehicle is the 2.0-litre Skyactiv G petrol engine. Instead of using a small, highly stressed turbocharged engine like many competitors, Mazda uses a larger, naturally aspirated engine that runs smoothly and faces much less mechanical strain over time. This design choice makes the engine virtually indestructible while still delivering an impressive 45 miles per gallon on long runs. The interior of the Mazda CX-5 is a truly wonderful place to spend time, featuring soft-touch premium materials, exceptional noise insulation, and highly ergonomic seats that reduce fatigue on long journeys. The raised driving position gives you excellent forward visibility over hedges and traffic, boosting your confidence on narrow country lanes or busy city streets. In the UK today, you can easily find a high-spec 2018 Mazda CX-5 with around 60,000 miles and a full service history for between £12,200 and £14,700. It is an incredibly handsome, durable and sophisticated SUV that allows you to enjoy a premium driving experience with absolute peace of mind.